Welcome to livingpianos.com. Robert Estrin playing a Steinway I'm enjoying so much. This is from the golden era before World War II when Steinway was at the top of their game. And this 1920 Steinway Model M, about 20 years ago, went through restoration. It's been restrung, new tuning pins, damper felts. The plate has been re-gilded, so it looks gorgeous, and beautiful furniture. These Ivory Keys, oh, they feel so wonderful. But it's the sound, you've got to hear this piano. I'm going to start off with a condensed version of the third movement of Beethoven's Pathetique Sonata. Got that rich Steinway sound. When you give it some energy, it's got that Steinway growl, doesn't it? You get these different tonal shadings. So listen what happens, speaking of tonal shadings, with a delicate piece of Debussy, The Little Shepherd, from his Children's Corner Suite. Quite a range of sound and expressiveness, from the fire of Beethoven to the poetry and imagery of Debussy. Let's close now just with a little big section of Chopin, a little intersection of his G minor Ballade. I love to play this because it shows so much in a small amount of time. This is why Steinway has such a reputation. Pianos like this, a joy to play, that warm sound, singing tone, and this particular instrument has such a compelling sound, doesn't it? I'd love to hear your opinions of this piano. Leave them in the comments here at livingpianos.com and YouTube. Again, I'm Robert Estrin. Living Pianos is your online piano resource. We'll see you next time.